Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss about one of the simplest LeetCode problem, longest common prefix. You will be given an array of strings. All you need to do is find the longest common prefix in the input array of strings. If there is no common prefix, then return an empty string. Here is an example input array. In this, FL is common prefix in all strings. So the longest common prefix is FL. This is second input array. None of the strings has common prefix. So the output is an empty string. One of the assumption is all the input strings are in lowercase only. Now let's discuss our approach. Here is our input array. It has three strings: flower, flow, flight. There are various solutions available to address this problem. We can solve it by using binary search or trace data structure. But we will take one of the simplest approach. First, we will check for the base conditions. If this array is empty, then we will return an empty string. If this array has only one string, then we will return back that string as it is. For example, if this has only one string like flight, we will return back the string as it is because there are no other strings to compare and find common prefix. Next, we will find the minimum length of a string in this input array. A string with minimum length in this array is flow. Its length is 4. Note down its length. It is 4. We are going to use this minimum length number on each string. I mean, we are going to consider only this minimum length of characters on each string for finding result. I mean, only first 4 characters on each string will be considered for comparison. In the flower, we will consider only first 4 characters. Flow, anyhow, it is the minimum length string. We are going to consider all characters. In this, we are going to consider first 4 characters to identify common prefix. Now, we will take the first string, which is flower. We will take the first character and match with other strings first character. Here, F is the first character, and when you match with other strings first character, it is matching. Other strings also having first character as F. Now, in the next iteration, we will take the second character for comparison. The second character is L. It is also matching with other two strings second character. We will move to next iteration. In the next iteration, the character is O. It is matching with second input string, but it is not matching here. During these iterations, if you find any character mismatch, then the common prefix is till previous index. You can break the loop and return the result. In our case, the result is FL. Just return it back. In any other cases, we will do minimum length of iterations to compare each character. If all 4 characters from the minimum length string is matching with other characters, we will maximum do 4 other iterations. So this is the logic. Hope you understood. Now let's write code. We have already created a method signature for longest common prefix. It takes string array as an input and returns string as an output. As a first step, we will validate base conditions. We will return empty string if the input is either null or empty. Also, if the input array has only one string, then return the string back. The string itself represents longest common prefix because there is no other string to compare and find common characters, I mean prefix. Now, let's find the minimum length string from the array. We will consider the first string length as minimum initially. We will loop over the array to find minimum length. Whichever length is minimum, we will keep track of that length. Now, we know the minimum length. we will iterate over the array and find the common prefix in each string based on the minimum length. I mean, we are going to consider minimum length of characters from each string for the comparison. Now, loop for the minimum length. Get the current character from the first string based on I value. Let's check if this character is found in all other strings or not. If the character is not matching with any of the string's current position character, then this character is not part of the common prefix. So consider the common prefix till the previous index alone and return back the result. We will use substring to extract the common prefix string. In case if we are done with iterating over all the array strings and we are out of this for loop, then all the strings has a common prefix of minimum length. So return the result back. We will extract common prefix from the first element, index 0. Now we are done with coding. Let's test our functionality. I have already written main method to save some time. Uncomment this piece of code. We have 3 input arrays to test our functionality. Let's run. Here is the output and it is working as expected. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.